Once you get your BRP, once you get your bank, bank accounts, or when you have a proper address letter, universities in the UK very crystalline. Master of Arts in International Fashion Business Management here in London from University of East London. I'm an international student. Over May 6th, I have I went to the polling station. Hope so you are doing good. Myself Avinash Togaru. Currently I am pursuing my Master of Arts in International Fashion Business Management here in London from University of East London. I am from India, so already I launched a YouTube channel called Explore with Avi. The motto of this channel is, I want to show you all the travel places where I go personally and where I visit in UK, out UK, in Europe and all other countries. So it's a long-term process, just I'm starting right now. And I want to show all the international students, those who are coming from different countries to UK. I'll show you all the university vlogs. I'm planning to show you all the universities crystal clear. So my next video will be from University of East London campus tour. I'll be showing you whole campus. I'll be showing you different blocks with the permission from the campus authorities. And today I'm very excited because I'm posting my first video. I'm uploading it today. The video is all about how an international student can cast his vote in London. Especially no country gives opportunity to cast your vote, but London gives those who are staying in London, international student, anyone, they can go and cast their vote. So on May 6th I went to the polling station and I casted my vote for Mayor of London. So what is the process? I'll be showing how I casted my vote. So you will be seeing in the video all the process and all. And I'll try to do how you can apply for driving license, lifestyle, I'll show you some London famous streets, everything. Not not about university blogs, everything. It includes everything. So this is the motto of my channel. I think you'll love this video. So please support me. If you like, please support me, or else please give me feedback in the comments. Here is my Instagram ID. You can please follow me Instagram because I'll be always active in my Instagram. I'll take time, whenever I get free time, instantly I'll give you replay with the correct answer. So hope so. Just enjoy this video. So hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Avinash. Today I'm going to cast my vote for Mayor of London. See here, for the first time I'm going to cast my vote here for the Mayor of London. So I want to show you how the process works and everything goes. So without doing any let's start the vlog. And she's my friend Crancy.
Hi.
So she's also coming to cast vote with me. Yeah. So see you there. So I just started to go and cast my vote. I'll show you driving here is little bit difficult. You need to follow all the rules and regulations. So it's not like in the back home or some other country. Because UK rules are very very strict. You can't there are certain rules over here, so you need to follow. My humble request is anyone coming to UK, come here. If you want to come and drive over here, you can, but for that you need to have a proper training before buying a car here. So 1 sec, sorry, thanks mate. Yeah, that's it. So 1 sec. Actually I fixed my camera over here in the gimbal, so I'm not using it with my hands. It's an offense. Just I want to clear it out very quickly. So yeah, here we go. It's like 0.8 miles or nearly 1 mile. I think 1 mile, right, Candy? It's 1 mile from here. 1 mile drive. I think like 10 minutes drive from my home. So I'll be reaching there in next 5 minutes. Then I'll show you what's the process, like how you can cast your oat and all. Yeah, I'm a little bit excited even because for the first time I'm casting my oat in London. Yeah, registration process, like once you come over here, you can register in like in your what you say, like क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग इसको, forgot, like town, in your council. Yeah, register in your council for your oat. So they'll send you a post like whether you can cast your oat or not. I got a post, so I choose for. I got an invitation. I'll choose my invitation, so I can go directly and cast in the center. Yeah.
Nearest center.
Yeah, in the nearest center. Why can't we show them some time-lapse video? Let's go. Like, I'll show you something else new. Casted my oat and I just came out from the way out, and they were very polite, and it's everyone's responsibility to cast your oat. So chalo, let's do. Yeah, Candy, come on. Everything went good, and as a responsible citizen, I did my part as a responsible citizen. So everyone should be like, everyone should vote, like, elect a good leader. I mean, and I'm not supposed to say like what happened inside. It's like illegal. So yeah, that's it. So I'll show you some, like, while go on the way to my home. I'll show you like 1 sec. Yeah. Like I'll show as Candy said, like, there's a Asda over here, and a few like Tesco and some other grocery shops where you can, like, where we regularly like go and buy groceries, like Asda. It's like beside here, like left mein na. It's like from, see, that's the Asda. I can't show you from here because there's a building over here.
Hi everyone, so Avinash is driving here, and this supermarket Asda, where you do get quality products. You get all type of products, and they are very affordable. It has different departments, and that's the nearest shopping for us. I mean, for all of our groceries and other related stuffs.
As I said before, I'll tell you about the process of registration. So, international students, those who arrive in UK, once you get your BRP, once you get your bank, bank accounts, or when you have a proper address letter, you can go to the Google, you can go to online and type www.gov.uk electoral registration. Go there, and they'll be asking few questions: your address proof, where you born, from which country, like basic information. Fill all the basic information and just register yourself. After 1 week or 10 days, you will be getting a confirmation mail that your name has been registered in UK Electoral Council, which is your nearest council. So once there are any elections, they'll be sending directly a post to your letter invitation to go and cast your vote by post or by by the polling center. So this is the process how you can go and cast your vote. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can text me in Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. So yeah, you can text me there. I'll be giving you the replies. I'll be giving you the correct answers. That's it. So like, if you love this video, please like, share and subscribe. And like, if you want me to improve somewhere, or if you want different kind of vlogs, whatever you want, so just give in the comment box. So I'll try to do that vlog. As I said, my next vlog will be University of East London campus tour. I'll show you everything. Until then, goodbye. See you. Jai Hind.